Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get the best PS5 discount codes you can find on the internet. And to do so, it's very simple. I will show you two websites, two of my favorite ones that I personally use, and I will show you a method that generally works. So what you're going to do is go to Google and type voucher discount PS5. So here, there is this voucher discount website that I personally use, and there is also Coupon Follow. So these two are the most trusted ones. You can try their codes, and at 95% of the time it will work. Now, of course, you can also try with other codes or other websites, but these two are the most trusted ones. So, of course, these are not 100% free. You will need to do a task like watch an ad or do a task, just say test a website or do something like that. So you just have to do the task that they ask you for and then go to show coupon code. And as you can see here, I get 20% of my order directly, so I can just copy it and then go and paste it on my PlayStation account. Now, of course, this one was very easy to do, but there are some that require you to do a task, as I said earlier. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.